What is going on, everyone? In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to properly make G.Fuel. So without further ado, let's get started. So the shaker cup can hold 16 ounces in this. So I'm gonna unscrew the lid. Already add ice in there. So the water I'm gonna use is alkaline water. I'm gonna turn the shaker cup to over here so I can see the line. I'm gonna pour the water in. That should do. I'm gonna close the bottle and set that aside. And now I'm gonna use some ragin gummy fish flavor. It's for my G.Fuel. For the scooper, it can hold, it's actually the same as 1 tablespoon. Which how much that can hold. You can do half a scoop if you like, if it's too much caffeine for you. Here we are, got 1 scoop. I'm gonna pop that in there. The reason I went for this flavor is because I love Swedish fish. Gonna clean off the excess. And we're gonna unscrew the lid. There we go. There we go. And I'm gonna shake this for a minute. Okay, so it's been about a minute since I've been mixing this. And I haven't tried using the blender, so don't think that's a good idea. It may probably mix well. That's what I assume. And the ice melted in here because the water bottle's not cold. Yeah, that's the reason why I had to throw some ice in here. So let's pop this open. Smelling it. Yeah, it's been a while since I've had Swedish fish. So I'm gonna give this a taste. It's really good. You should have this G.Fuel flavor with Swedish fish. Since I don't have any. Yeah, it's really good. So that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this, so thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.